Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the classification of business activities. So, business activity can be classified into two categories. First is industry and second one is commerce. So, again, what is industry? Industry is a group of firms. When group of firms are combined together, they form a industry. Like telecom industry, cement industry, steel industries. So these industry transform the raw material into finished product. So we in these kind of industry we use mechanical and technical skill also. So in this raw material are converted into finished product so that it can be used by the consumer. So under industries can be divided into three categories: primary industry, secondary industry and tertiary industry. First one is primary industry. Primary industry is concerned with the extraction and production of goods and services. Means under primary industry you can produce the goods and services from raw material or from other industries. Like first one is extractive industries. Extractive industries extract product from natural resources. Means these kind of industries create the product from natural resources. They transform the raw material into useful product, like farming, hunting, fishing, etc. Second one is genetic industries. Genetic industries are those industries which engaged in breeding of plants and animals, for example, nursery, seedings, poultry farming, etc. And the second one is secondary industries. These industries are those industries which use the raw material which are extracted from the primary stage. That is, they produce the final product so that consumer can use this kind of product. So these industries, like mining of iron ore, is a primary industry, and from that you can create you can manufacture the steels. So this is a secondary industry. So under secondary industry there are two kind of industry: manufacturing industry and construction industry. First one is manufacturing industry. Manufacturing industries are those industries which can convert the raw material into finished products so that it can be used by the consumer. And manufacturing industry are further divided into four categories. First one is analytical industry. Analytical industries are those industries which analyze and separate the different elements from the raw material. For example, oil refinery, where the different elements can be separated from the oil. Second one is synthetical industry. Synthetical industries are those industries which combine which conclude the ingredients to make a new product. For example, cement industry. Third one is processing industry. Processing industry are those industry where the successive stage is to manufacture the products. For example, sugar and paper industry, because there are many kind of process you are followed under this, under while making a manufacture and while making or manufacture a sugar or paper. Fourth one is assembling industry. This kind of industries refer to those industries which assemble the different kind of product to make a new product. For example, television, computer, etc. And the second one is under secondary industry. Second is construction industry. These industries are those industry which are used to make roads, bridges, dams, buildings, tunnels, etc. They are used to manufacture, or they are used to construct these kind of road, bridges, dams, building, etc. Third one is tertiary industry. Tertiary industries are those industries which provide the services to the primary industry and the secondary industry. For example, this sector will provide the services like banking services, insurance services, communication services, advertisement services. So this is all about the industry. So this is all about the industry, and you have to prepare the notes and you have to learn this topic as well.